Everybody, welcome to WNR Prush channel. Today we're gonna react to this
Amazing
performance. So let's get started. Who
Keren ya, ini Lester ya.
so like this the channel used to be a Hunan, so and then they changed the name to Mango.
See.
厌倦我的亏欠，代替你所爱的人。
Wow.
这个时候，我心落花一样飘落下来，顿时我的视线失去了色彩。直到一言一样不善于
Who's this?
表白，想象你的想法，编织的谎言写下。
What's his name?
I think we've seen him before.
I don't think so.
Yeah, or on the 2017s during the MCR
Well,
era.
that was a long time ago.
9 years ago. So
No, 7 years.
7 years. Sorry, I'm so bad at math. 7 years ago. So it's so we've been doing Zhou Shen for
7 years almost.
na 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 na. Big fish.
Oh, memories.
今夜落花一样飘落下
Why is
来。
hands start shaking you?
I think the way he controlled the vocal like Mariah did. Wow, the laser things.
总是习惯寂寞的安稳，至少我们之前曾经交叉过，就像站在烈日照人的桥上。
I love the contradiction between the heavy voice and Zhou Shen's soft voice, guys. It just pierces you hard, real hard, you know. Oh.
眼泪狂奔地落在我的脸庞。
Why Zhou Shen looks quite different?
想象你的相爱，编织的谎言写的，甜美尽头，今夜落花一样飘落下来，从此我的生命变成了尘埃。寂寞的人总是习惯寂寞的安稳，至少我们之前曾经交叉过。
Harmonization.
And resonance, guys.
Yeah.
I bet the people on the stage, on the audience, were shaking their boots and hand because they're just wow.
就像站在烈日骄阳的桥上，眼泪狂奔地落在我的脸庞。就像站在烈日骄阳的桥上，眼泪狂奔地落在我的脸庞。
I got goosebumps.
I got goosebumps, guys.
Zhou Shen, that,
Zhou Shen.
oh god, that's just beautiful. For real, guys, it's
Wow,
Oh,
his low note is
it's
so.
totally different, guys. I mean, you can hear like Zhou Shen with that high, soft pitch voice, and he with that heavy, hard voice.
Yeah.
I thought that it's never going to like melt together, but I was wrong, guys. That was the most beautiful harmonization that Zhou Shen did in the performance, aside from Big Fish. Yeah, period. By the way, this is the reaction video. 谢谢。